the best 10 to 100 BPM bottling solutions. Neostarpack is a Taiwan-based industrial packaging equipment manufacturer with over 25 years of experience. We have established long-term partnerships with numerous clients and have exported our products to over 50 countries, including the America, Asia, Europe, Africa, and Australia. Our products include filling machines, labeling machines, counting machines, capping machines, and bottle washing machines. Our services are widely used in industries such as pharmaceuticals, food industries, cosmetics industries, and chemical industries. We provide professional OEM services and customized machine to meet your needs. Our machines are equipped with a PLC and HMI programming, making them easy to operate. Of course, we also provide professional packaging planning, machine installation, and comprehensive after-sales service. Neostarpack, the best 10 to 100 BPM bottling solutions.